Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Moon's Vanity. I hope everyone is safe and doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to share my review on Mars Cosmetics products. So this is the first time I'll be using this products from Mars Cosmetics. I haven't used anything from Mars Cosmetics, and I have heard a lot of reviews, a lot of positive reviews about this product, and I just thought I should try my hands on and I should share my review and my experience with Mars Cosmetics. This is one of the brand that is super duper affordable and the quality is also nice. So today I'll be sharing my review, my experience, how I like this product, whether you should buy it or not. So if you're interested and want to know what are the products that I'll be talking about, then please continue watching this video till the end. So if you're new in this channel, then hello, my name is Munmun and I make videos on makeup, skincare, hair care, DIYs, lifestyle, vlogs and many more. So if that is something that excites you, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit on the bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you get notified whenever I upload new video on YouTube. So without further delay, let's get straight to the video. The first product that I bought from Mars Cosmetics is the Micro Precision Brow Pencil. So this is the outer packaging looks like. I have bought this in the shade dark brown, but this is not written anywhere in the outer packaging. I don't know why. And the price of this product is 149 rupees, which is super duper affordable. Let's see how the product looks like, and this is something it looks like. The color is completely black. I don't know why, but I have ordered it in dark brown. So one side there is a spoolie brush, so this is really nice, and this is the brow pencil. I think you can see it. So this is how it looks like. This is a dark brown color, and let's see how it looks on me. Nice brow pencil which glides on your skin, on your eyebrows really smoothly, which I really like. And this is a nice brow pencil if you want to use it on a daily basis. After using this product, I can definitely recommend this product to you guys, because I really like this product, and with this price this is a real steal. So go for it, guys. So the next product that I bought from Mars Cosmetics is the eyeliner. This is the pen eyeliner from Mars Cosmetics. It says this is a liquid eyeliner pen with ultra fine tip. So this is the outer packaging, and if you just open it up, and first of all let me tell you the price of this. This is 199 rupees, which is, again, open it up, it looks like that. It just looks like a pen actually. So won't smudge, won't budge eyeliner. This is called matte black. So I really like, this is not glossy. I really like my eyeliners to be matte. After opening, you can see that this is a nice eyeliner, and if I just use it here, you can see this is there is a nice rubbery thing that you can grip this pen really well while drawing your wing liner or your normal eyeliner. So I really like the packaging. So this is priced at rupees 199, and I think with this price this is a great deal. You can definitely go for this one. So the next products that I'll be talking about is the matte crayon lipsticks from Mars Cosmetics. This is something that I was super duper excited to buy, because I have seen a lot of reviews, and let me give you the hand swatches of this crayon lipsticks along with the swatches. Mars crayon lipstick won't smudge, won't budge lip crayon, and this is in the shade I Am Fierce 12. So this is the shade number 12, and this is a beautiful peachy nude shade which is absolutely perfect as your daily kind of lipstick, and for summer also this one is really nice. I always like this kind of peachy nude shades which actually goes well with your smoky eyes and for daytime look. On the screen how it looks on me, so I think this shade will look good on fair to medium skin tone. I don't think this color will go for dark skin tone people because this may wash out. Definitely recommend this color to fair and medium skin tone. Next lip crayon, this is in the shade Let's Do It 07. This is a beautiful, I think it's a neon pink shade which looks beautiful on Indian skin tone. I think it will suit every skin tone from fair to medium to dark, so you can definitely try out this color. So this is the color, and let me show you the hand swatches of this color. And this is something like very nice, and it just glides on your lips easily. It glides on your lips very smooth, and I just like the texture. I feel this is a liquid lipstick in the form of a crayon lipstick, so this is something like that. And this is completely kiss proof, smudge proof, and I definitely recommend this one. And sticks are really long lasting and feels very lightweight on lips. You won't feel that okay, I'm wearing something and my lips are super duper dry. It's not something that you will feel with this lip crayons. I think this is something really commendable. Each of this crayon lipstick actually priced at rupees 229. Can you believe that? Yes, this is so cheap, so affordable, and the quality is super duper. So I would definitely recommend this crayon lipstick to you guys. You should definitely try out this crayon lipsticks. Highly recommended. The lipstick that I'm going to talk about is this lip crayon. This is in the shade Girl Power 10. This is a beautiful coffee brown color. I was looking for this shade from a really long time. This is the color that I absolutely love. I think this color will look definitely good on every Indian skin tone. Basically, especially on dark skin people, I think this color will look just bomb.com. Let me show you the hand swatches. This is how the hand swatches look like. I really love the texture, love the color and everything out of it. So what is one product that you can buy from Mars Cosmetics? I would highly recommend that you try out this matte crayon lipsticks just once, and I'm sure you will like it. So that concludes my review about few of the products from Mars Cosmetics. I hope you like this review. And if you have any question, you can definitely ask me in the comment section, and also you can comment down below what are the videos that you want to watch next. I'll definitely try to do that. So that's pretty much it from my side. I hope to meet you soon in my next video. Till then, take care of yourselves. Bye bye.